everyone, it's me again and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video, ituturo ko lang sa inyo kung how to make garland using satin ribbon. Of course guys, malapit na yung graduation. So this coming April na, next month. So I decided to make garland. So I will teach you how to make garland step by step process. If ever bago ka pa sa aking YouTube channel, of course huwag mo nang kalimutan mag-subscribe. Also click the bell button para lagi kang ma-notify if ever may bago tayong upload sa channel. So without further ado, let's get started.
So now guys, meron tayong 4 cm ribbon. So ito yung gagamitin natin guys na gumawa tayo ng garland. Then we need also 8 cm na carton or if roller. So ito yung gagamitin natin guys pang sukat. Then also we need scissor for cutting. Also, we need the sticker na Congratulations 2025 kasi ito yung ilagay natin sa center guys, sa ribbon. So, also we have stick glue and glue gun. Also this circle paper kasi dito natin idikit yung naging ribbon natin guys. So, next is mag-cutting po tayo ng 10 pieces ribbon para makapag-start na po tayo sa ating garland. So, next steps guys, so meron tayong 10 pieces na ribbon. So, now, tupiin natin siya isa't isa pa triangle. So, sundin mo lang lahat ng nasa video guys para masunod mo lahat ng step by step process. Then, lagyan natin ng konti ng stick glue para hindi siya matanggal. So, palibutan lang natin ng stick glue. Then, next is kailangan natin tupiin dito sa likod guys ng dalawa. So, maglagay tayo ng small amount of stick glue. Then, tupiin natin. Then, sa pikas naman, another same process. So, next naman guys is kunin na natin yung carton. Tapos, idikit na natin lahat ng 10 pieces. So, maglagay tayo ng stick glue. So now guys, ilagay na natin yung sticker dito sa center guys. So lagyan natin ng stick glue. Then after natin madikit tong sticker guys, yung next na natin gagawin is magkat tayo ng ribbon 1 meter for the necktie. So ikat lang natin yung pinaka huli guys. Then, idikit natin siya. So, this final steps naman guys, I suggest na damihin nyo ng stick glue para hindi siya matanggal. So, sa akin guys, dinamihan ko talaga ng stick glue para matibay ang pagkabit ng garland niya. So, this is final work guys. So, hope you like it.
So that's our tutorial for today, and thank you so much for watching everyone, and see you in my next video. God bless all.